So this is Ribes sanguineum, otherwise known as the red flowering currant. One of our most beautiful native shrubs, in my opinion anyway. And this is another early flowering species, not quite as early flowering as the Indian plum, but these pink showy flowers are very attractive to hummingbirds and also to bumblebees, and so really important source of nectar early in the season for bumblebees and hummingbirds. Hummingbirds in general really like red flowers, and they're attracted to reds and pinks. So we'll zoom in a little bit here, and yeah, again, red flowering currant. Here are the flowers, Ribes sanguineum, and the sanguineum refers to blood, or the blood color of the flowers. Okay, and this is a native shrub, really gorgeous part of our native forests. If you look carefully at the leaves, you'll see that they are lobed, much like a maple leaf, or some of the rubus genus shrubs also have lobed leaves. But one of the things about Ribes leaves, at least this species, is the lobes tend to have a rounded quality. So you can see there's not really a sharp tip on any of the lobes. They appear to be a little bit more rounded. And there are some fine teeth on the edge, on the margin of this leaf, but again, the teeth are somewhat blunted compared to other species. So toothed and lobed, but the lobes and teeth have this kind of rounded or blunted look. And the leaves are quite wrinkly, although I wouldn't say that's necessarily a distinguishing feature here to distinguish it from other things on our list. But unlike maples, which also have lobed leaves, Ribes is going to be alternate branching. And if you take a look back here, you can see that it's alternate branching. And this does produce very tasty fruits, a little bitter to the taste of some people, but I think they're quite tasty. And Ribes is a currant. So if you've ever had currants, that's genus Ribes. Okay, and there are many species of Ribes in this region on both sides of the Cascades. And you'll see that many of the Ribes out in drier parts of the state have very small leaves, much smaller than these. And small leaves are a way of conserving moisture. So anyway, the genus is found in a variety of habitats and tolerant of a variety of conditions. But this one is found west of the Cascades, and it's really beautiful.